See friends, in this session, first problem. John makes a profit of 12% by selling an article for rupees 448. What is the cost price? See friends, what is the cost price? What he is asking? He is asking to find the cost price of that article. What he has done? John makes a profit of 12% by selling an article for rupees 448. That means he has given the selling price and the profit percentage. He is asking the cost price. See friends, no need to go to the procedure also. This is the cost price. From starting onwards, what I am telling you, we should compare the profit percentage or loss percentage against the cost price only. 12% profit he got. See friends, 12% profit on what? On the cost price. See friends, 12% profit on the cost price he got. See friends, you just observe it. Selling price is 448. He got 12% profit. That means on the cost price, he got the 12% profit. See, first, if you assume 100 as a cost price, then 12 percentage of 100, how much? 12. That means selling price becomes 112. But what he has given? 448. So, this is wrong. See, friends, here you observe it. 12 percentage of 200, how much? 24. This is also not correct because total becomes 224. This is also not correct because selling price is 448. See friends, here 12 percentage of 300, how much? 36. Total become 336. This is selling price. But he has given 448. You observe here 12 percentage of 400, how much? 48. Total 448. This is the selling price. See friends, he has given same 448. So answer is 400. No need to observe, straight away. See friends, 100. If the cost price is 100, 200, 300, because if the cost price is 100, then profit is more than 200, 300, because selling price is 448. You observe here 200 cost price. Selling price is double than the 200. That means profit is more than 200. Here also almost profit is more than the 50%. So he has given 12%. That means very near. That selling price and cost price is very near. So just you directly go through it. 12% means 12 percentage of the 400 is 48. That means 400 plus 48 is 448. This is the cost price. This is the profit. This is the selling price. So answer we will get straight away here. No need to go through the procedure and all. Straight away 12 percentage of 400 is 48. That means 400 plus 48 is 448. So selling price is 448. Then answer is 400. No need to go to the procedure. See friends, now I will tell the procedure. What he has given? Selling price he has given. That means selling price he has given 448. See friends, I will write. Selling price how much? 448. Profit percentage equal to 12%. What he is asking? Cost price. See friends, we don't know cost price, then you just put it as a x, assume it as a x. Then see friends, what he has given? 12% profit on the cost price he got. See friends, 12% profit on the cost price he got. That means, see friends, selling price become cost price plus profit. Selling price equal to cost price plus profit. Cost price how much? X. What is the profit? 12% of cost price. That means x plus 12 by 100 into x. This is equal to selling price how much? 448. 448 equal to x plus 12 by 100 into x. You calculate it. 448 equal to 100x plus 12x by 100. See friends, 448 equal to 112x by 100. See friend, 112 force 448. Then x equal to 400. What is X? Cost price. Is there any difficulty? Actual procedure is this. But if you go to the procedure in the examination, we will lose our time. But we should know the procedure also. If you know the procedure, we can do it in number of ways. Straight away we will get answer here. But for the procedure, I am telling you this one. 12% of 400 is in 48. That means selling price becomes 448. He has given the sale. So answer is 400. Here also we got the 400. See friends, second problem. A loss of 20% was suffered by selling a watch for rupees 560. If it was sold for rupees 805, what was profit percentage? See friends, what he has given? He has given that a watch sold for 560 rupees. Then he got the 20% loss. If suppose he sold it for rupees 805, then he is asking the profit percentage. See friends, first what he has given? Selling price he has given. Selling price he has given 560, and the loss percentage also he has given. That means 20%. Then first we should find the cost price. See friends, cost price. We don't know the cost price, so you assume it as X. Then see friends, selling price equal to, see friends, selling price equal to cost price minus loss. See friends, selling price equal to cost price minus loss. See friends, here cost price is X. Loss how much? 20% of cost price. See friends, every time we should compare the percentage with cost price only. See friends, cost price is X. Then he lost 20% on the cost price when he sold the items for 560 rupees. That means selling price equal to 560. So this is the equation. 560 equal to X minus 20% of X. See friends, 560 equal to X minus 20 by 100 into X. That means 100X minus 20X by 100 equal to 560. See friends, 560 equal to 80X by 100. 0, 0 cancel, 8 7 are 56. Then X equal to 700. What is X? X is the cost price of the article. Now you go to the problem. If it was sold for 805 rupees, actual cost price is 700. Then he has given that selling price is 805. That means profit how much? 105 rupees. Then what he is asking? Profit percentage. See friends, he is asking profit percentage. Profit percentage means 105 is what percent of 700? That means 105 equal to X by 100 into 700. 7s, 7 15s. So answer is 15%. Nothing is there. 105 is the profit. Then what is the percentage of 105 in the 700? See friends, 10% is how much? 70. Then 5% is how much? 35. Then 15% is equal to 105. Profit is 15%. Nothing is there. I just taken the selling price and loss percentage. Then I calculated the cost price. Then I got the cost price 700. Then straight away he has given selling price is 805. Then profit is 105. Then 105 is the what percentage of 700? In 700, 15% is 105. So answer is 15%. See friends, no need to write all these steps also. Straight away we will go it. 560. 20% 560. Sorry. selling price is 560. He got the loss is 20%. Straight away we will go to this step. 560 equal to, that means selling price. Cost price is, we assume it X minus 20% of X. That means 20 by 100 into X. So 100x minus 20x is equal to 80x by 100. So 80, 0, 0 cancel, then 8 7 jar. So x equal to 700. So here given 805 selling price. Then profit is 105. So 105 is what percentage of the 700? Then 15% is the answer. Nothing is there. If you know the procedure, we can do the problems, we can solve the problems in the number of ways. See friends, next problem. If by selling an article for rupees 360, Ramu gains 20%, find the cost price. See friends, if by selling an article for rupees 360, Ramu gains 20%, find the cost price. See friends, what he is asking? He is asking the cost price. What he has given? Selling price of an article he has given and the percentage of profit. Gain means profit only. 20% profit is given. In every session I am telling you, we should compare the profit percentage or loss percentage with the cost price only. He has given the cost price here. Then you just calculate the 20% of the cost price. See friends, first answer is 300. 20% of 300 how much? See friends, 20% of 300, 300 how much? 60. Then this is the profit. This is the cost price. Then total selling price how much? 360. What he has given? Selling price is 360. So no need to check the other options also. Straight away we will get the answer is here. It is fraction of seconds only. See friends, sometimes this type of problems also will come. Definitely will come. Definitely one or two problems will come. Then we have to save the time in this type of problems. See friends, I will tell you the procedure. What he has given? Selling price he has given. Selling price how much? 360. Profit percentage he has given. Profit percentage he has given 20%. Then cost price he is asking. Then you should assume as a X. Cost price is X. Then see friends, selling price become selling price equal to, see friends, selling price equal to cost price plus profit. See friends, selling price always equal to, this is the basic formula friends. This is the basic formula. Selling price equal to cost price plus profit. So selling price how much? 360. Cost price how much? X. Profit how much? 20%. 20% on what? On cost price. Cost price is X. That means 20% of X. Straight away we will get it here. X plus 20 by 100 into X. That means 120x by 100. See friends, here 360. So here 120, 3 are 360. Then x equal to 300. So answer is 300. Here also we got the answer. This is the basic procedure friends. Number of students I observed that without basics, straight away they are going for shortcuts. See friends, without knowing the basics, if you go for shortcuts also, it is a useless and helpless in some time. See friends, he has given 20% profit. This is the cost price. You just observe it. 20% of the cost price how much? 20% of 300 how much? 60. Then selling price become 360. He has given that selling price is 360. Just compare it. Then answer is straight away 300 is the cost price. See friends, next problem. Joseph bought a TV set for rupees 12,000 and later sold it suffering a loss of 15%. If so, at what price had he sold the TV set? See friends, what he has given? He has given the cost price of the TV set and the loss after selling, the loss percentage after selling that TV. Then what he is asking? He is asking the selling price of that TV set. See friends, every time I am telling you, we should compare the profit percentage or loss percentage with the cost price only. See friends, here cost price is 12,000. After selling that item, he has got the loss of 15%. That means 15 percentage of 12,000, how much? See friends, 10 percentage is 1200. See friends, 10 percentage of 12,000 is 1200. Then 5 percentage means half of the 1200, that means 600. Then total 15 percentage equal to 1800. So 1800 he got the loss. That means selling price equal to cost price minus loss. Then cost price is how much? 12,000 minus 1800. Then how much? 10,200. See friends, 10,200 is the selling price of the TV. See friends, whenever loss is there, then selling price should be cost price minus loss. If there is a profit, then selling price equal to, if there is a profit, then selling price equal to cost price plus profit. See friends, these are the basics. We should remember this. Selling price equal to cost price minus loss if there is a loss. If there is a profit, then selling price equal to cost price plus profit. This is a shortcut friends. If you know the procedure, straight away we will get within a fraction of seconds, 10 to 15 seconds we will get the answer. But what is the actual procedure? See friends, cost price he has given. How much? 12,000. 12,000. Loss percentage he has given. That means 15 percentage. Then what he is asking? Selling price he is asking. Then what I told you, selling price, cost price minus loss. Here cost price how much? 12,000. Minus loss means 15%. 15% on what? 15% on cost price. That means 15% of 12,000. See friends, 12,000. Then 15 percentage of 12,000, how much? 1800. Then answer is 10,200. See friends, don't get confused. Basic things. These should we know. Selling price. What is the selling price? What is the loss? What is the cost price? When we will get the loss? When we will get the profit? If you get the loss, how we will get the selling price? If you get the profit, how we will get the selling price? What is the percentages? Percentages is a very, very important role. See friends, percentages will play an important role in all the competitive exams. So first you should know the percentages.